Igbo culture places a high value on community, brotherhood, and collective action, which is reflected in many of their proverbs. Here are 5 powerful Igbo proverbs related to unity along with their meanings. Gidigidi bụ ugwu eze. Togetherness is the pride of kings, meaning standing together gives a people strength and prestige. Egbe bere ugo bere, nke si ibe ya ebe na nkukwa ya. Let the kite perch, let the eagle perch. If one says the other should not perch, may its wings break, meaning live and let live. Otu onye gbaa izu, o gbuo ọchụ. If one person plans, it leads to murder, meaning 2 heads are better than one. Success comes from collective consultation rather than acting alone. Onye nwanne ya nọ n'ọgụ anaghị aza aha bekee. One whose sibling is fighting a war does not answer to a white man's name, meaning one whose kin is in trouble does not focus on trivialities. Rather, he must unite to support them. Aka nri kwụọ aka ekpe akwụọ aka nri. When the right hand washes the left hand washes the right hand, meaning mutual cooperation and support leads to success. Unity is not just a word in Igbo culture, it is a way of life. Igwe bụ ike. Together we are stronger.